Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another day with another unboxing. I have two pairs of shoes here that I haven't unboxed yet, and I don't know which pair is in which box. So let's just start with one and see what it is.
Funky.
Of course, I know what kind of shoes it is, but I don't know which. All right, so here we have the airship. And I don't have too much to say about these shoes. There are a bunch of unboxing videos. These got released in September, I think it was. I think so. And Airship is a very underrated model. I really, really like the model. They fit my wide feet. Excellent. All right, cool. Plastic paper with piece on it. The shoes got released, and I did not expect them to sell out because all the Airship Jordan, are on sale still months after. But these sold out in my size, of course. And I still wanted them. And the nice thing with Airship, oh, they are cool. Oh, yeah. Oh, what a wonderful shoe. Oh, nice. So what I was going to say is that the thing with airships that they are very underrated. So on StockX, they go for under retail. So the resale value is under retail. And I've been thinking of buying them because on StockX in my size is like 140 something euro. Um, and the retail is about 180, 190 euro, or was. So I've been thinking of buying them. I just haven't got to it, and I thought that maybe I'm a bit too old to wear a suede Tiffany green shoe. But man, they are cool. The quality on these, if it would have been like an Air Jordan 1 or something, the resale value would be crazy. Crazy, because the quality is insane. It might be the best suede, long hair suede I have ever seen on a pair of shoes. And the part that I thought was leather, that I thought was going to be mismatching like suede and leather together, but it's numbuk, so brushed leather. Man, I really, really like these. So back to the point, the resale value is under the retail price. So yeah, I absolutely was going to buy them. Cool box. This is a collab with, I don't even remember the name. Corporate. Yeah, Corporate is the name of the store. So it's a collab, and sort of surprising. Yeah, Corporate. It's sort of surprising that it shows Tiffany green all over the shoe. Once again, back to the point. So on StockX, they go for like 140 something euro, which is under retail, and I would absolutely buy them for that money. And while shopping on sneakers and stuff, I just saw that they just happened to have them, a late drop in my size. So I bought them right away. For retail, which was about 181 euro. But that doesn't matter. So I paid retail, which I absolutely think you should always do. but the retail here was over the resale price. Um, and they might end up on sale as well on sneakers and stuff, but I don't care because as I said, I really I really like the Jordan Airship. A very comfortable shoe that is much better than Air Jordan 1 mids in quality and comfort, much better and better in price, and everything is good about the Airship. And check out sneakers and stuff. They have the yellow ones and the green ones on crazy sale. I think it's like 85 euro, and they had them on 85 euro sale plus extra 20%. So yeah, I highly recommend them. And one of my favorite shoes drops this year is these that I said I was going to buy on sale. They ended up on sale, but I still didn't buy them, and now my size is sold out. But they're available in all other sizes. And back to this very beautiful shoe. Smells high quality, wonderful. The long hair suede is amazing. I'm in love. I am in love. So they come with the white laces, and we get the matching green laces. And I think I'm going to go with, what do you think? Green laces or white laces? I think green laces will be too much. I think even black laces would look good on them. Maybe even gray, like the soles. But I'm gonna start with the white laces. And people, what a shoe! Got him. Finally got him. But as I said, they're available on StockX and Goat, etc., for under retail price. And amazing. Even if they would cost Air Jordan 1 money, still amazing. So this quality on a Jordan Airship, that really shows that Nike is putting their power on the Airship. I am amazed. And the silly thing is, when I ordered them, I sort of felt, oh damn, why didn't I buy them on StockX for the 144 euro instead? But now I don't care. I don't care because these are worth. If this was, let's just say again, if it was an Air Jordan 1, and this was in store, Air Jordan 1 in store with this quality, and the retail price would be 400 euro, I would say, oh, fine, a luxury Air Jordan 1, finally. I will absolutely pay those 400 euros. Maybe not 500, but 400 euro. Amazing shoe. Let's put them on. While lacing them up, I just feel like I haven't talked about the shoes enough. I'm really impressed. The details, the quality, I would say this is the best quality, at least. When it comes to quality, this is the best sneaker release of this year. And the details, cool details, the soft insole, everything is just perfect with these shoes. And I really like it that Nike is doing the Airship special. So most of the Airships are only released in stores and only in the smaller stores. So that Sneakers and Stuff got them kind of late. That is probably because they didn't sell out in the smaller stores. Now the big stores got them. But they weren't released at the Sneakers app, etc. I just wanted to show you that I think that the Tiffany color is, yeah, I think it is spot on. bad lighting, but I think they really got the Tiffany color right. And everything. I'm one of the best shoes released in 2023. Absolutely. I think this part is unnecessary because I know that they will fit true to size and will be super comfortable and probably the most comfortable airships I've had so far because of the very soft suede. And that is, oh yes, oh yes. Wow, speechless. They fit me so nice. So yeah, true to size, absolutely true to size, and fit us with wide feet perfectly. Oh man. For the first time ever, I'm not done talking about the shoes after I have the on foot thing filmed. I am sort of ashamed that just because I am late with the shoes, I thought that this video would be unnecessary. There are much better videos, etc., etc. These are more or less old. How did I already get them dirty? Yes, these are going to be very sensitive because of the long hair suede and the numbuk. I got two spots on there and I have tried the shoes on inside. So yeah, I felt that, oh, I paid too much because I didn't got them for the cheaper resale money, yada yada yada. And I actually thought, because I got two pair of shoes to unbox, that I would just put this uh, in the other video. I wouldn't do a separate video for these, but these are wow. If you like the color, of course, the color is a big thing. If you like the color, get them. Maybe a bit much for an old man like me to wear. The spots, I can't get them off. These are very sensitive. I think I'm actually going to spray them with Crep Protect that I don't use anymore since several years back. And everything. The box and the paper inside, I really like the paper inside. It's plastic with the, yeah, super cool. Amazing drop, amazing. And we have the, the booklet about their ship and a thank you card from corporate where he says thank you to the people behind the shoes and a story behind it. Best drop this year. I think so. Oh man, I love shoes. I love sneakers. And long hair suede. Oh, come on. I'm so excited about these that I'm going to wait until tomorrow to unbox the other pair. Buy them.